What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I was out shopping, and when I went to the store, they gave me back 2 star notes. A $1 bill star note, and then they gave me a $5 bill star note. So I want to walk you guys through the process of looking these up on Star Note Lookup to see if they are rare bills. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so what you need to do is first go to Google and look up Star Note Lookup. Okay, so Star Note Lookup, I have it as the first website on Google, and it is mycurrencycollection.com. So let's go ahead and select that. And then you want to enter the denomination of the bill, the year, and then enter the serial number. And the serial number, you have to enter it, the letters and the numbers from start to finish. Once you're done with that, just select look up your star note. And so I'm doing the $1 bill first, and as you can see, it is less rare. 3 million run size, over 9 million total printed. So this is definitely less rare. But let's go ahead and try and look up the $5 bill as well. So I'm going to go through the same exact process. I'm just going to change the denomination as well as the year. And once that's done, we're going to enter the serial number once again and look up your star note. And for the $5 bill, it actually had 2 letters in the front, whereas the $1 bill only had 1. So that's interesting. But let's see. Okay, so again, this is less rare. Run size 1.9 mil and total printed 2.4 million. And so, guys, this is less rare. Hopefully, you'll be able to find something that is more rare. And don't give up hope. Keep on searching. Keep on hunting for those dollar bills. And you never know, you may come across a gem. But yeah, guys, that is the process to look up your star notes. Check your pocket change. Make sure you're paying attention when you get your change back in the store, at the bank, whatever have you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.